welcome back to our channel.
Today we will make Dalgona Coffee, but today we will use NESQUIK, the milk chocolate, so that the kids can drink it. Let's try.
It won't take.
Okay, you eat.
It
Rayne
won't
will
taste
eat
like
Oreo and milk. What?
It won't taste like coffee.
No. So we will be using NESQUIK, 2 tablespoons, sugar, 2 tablespoons as well. We have Nestle cream, all-purpose cream, 2 tablespoons, and also milk. And we will be using some ice later on. We'll be using this, the whisk. We have this, it's called yo-yo whisk. So we'll try how it's gonna be used, and then we'll be using...
Wait, give me that first. It's like making a dough.
We'll be using spoon and bowl, and also hot water.
Wait. Just like magic one.
Magic one. Okay, let's start. The puppies are noisy. They're playing. So let's start.
Guys, don't make coffee by yourself. That's kind of a bit dangerous because the coffee is hot.
Yep, but we're not gonna use coffee.
Yeah.
We will use chocolate.
Yes.
Milk chocolate.
Yes.
So we'll just cut this up.
Is that first?
Yep. 2 tablespoons.
Whoa, that's cool. If you remember this, I'm helping you that one. When I just
So we'll add some more so that all of us can drink. We'll be using 4 tablespoons.
Mommy, when I'm done eating, can I help you now?
Yes. And then we'll be using 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, I'm back with another spoon. So 4 tablespoons.
Okay. So it's the spoon's supposed to be full, right?
Yes. 4.
Is enough?
Yes. Go.
1.
1.
Is it that just helping you?
Yes. Later you will help also. Finish your Oreo first, okay? Last?
Milk over.
Okay. This is my first time using this as well.
I guess I'm drinking milk. I thought last time
This is
you
the
were
box.
using this.
So it says here instruction. Place yo-yo whisk into the center of the mixing bowl and hold yo-yo in upright position. Hold handle firmly, then press down and up motion. The yo-yo will spin and mix by itself. So this is the name. There. American style yo-yo whisk. Let's try this one. So it says it should be in the middle.
Can I try?
Wait. Let's mix the sugar first with the cream.
Bill.
Then by holding it upright, just press.
Whoa.
Ah, okay.
Can I try? She tried one try.
Matapo na.
Careful. Oh my gosh, Daddy. You did this for an hour right now. Smells kind of bit good. Smells like a cracker. Just like, it does smell like a cracker.
While Daddy's mixing the cream, we will mix the NESQUIK with hot water.
What?
Equal parts, so let's use 4 tablespoons.
Can I help you?
Put it here. 4.
It's supposed to be 4. I like the smell. Give me some sugar. This like smells like wood.
Dali, put it. Put it in the bowl.
Why we're gonna need all scoops of 4?
So it's the
Wow,
same.
just like sand.
We'll use 3 tablespoons for now. We'll see how it goes. And then 3 tablespoons of water as well.
Can I help you?
1. Is it hot?
My turn.
3. So we will mix this one, the milk powder, the chocolate powder, and then the hot water.
Whoa, wait.
Mix until everything is dissolved, and then we will mix it slowly on that cream. Nice looking cream.
Hey.
Let's pour the chocolate
I'm
slowly.
even done. My turn.
Mix slowly. You mix it like kanina, Dad. Yeah. Nice. Oops.
Can I?
No na, matatapon siya sa ano.
You're done. I turn again.
Ang galing ng whisk. Napadali ang buhay natin. So easy to use.
How about
Matapon,
me?
Dad.
How about me?
Ate Mika is the one
How about
mixing
me?
it. It's hard eh.
How about me?
Oh, yung isa daw, dali.
Come on. Ganun na lang sa'yo.
Wag idikit sa ano. Konti na lang. While they are mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and fix the milk with ice.
1 eternity later.
So, this is the consistency of the cream and the milk chocolate. We'll be now pouring the milk into the glass.
Oopsie.
So, these are the glasses with ice.
Oh, you
Let's
did it.
pour the milk.
Hey, just look like her milk. Just like for here. Why not putting it here? No, because we're gonna make something.
Oops, oops.
Almost like coffee. Who's this for? All of us. I said take me.
Yan lang din.
Oh.
Okay. We will pour the cream on top of the milk.
Looks like a topping.
Yes.
He's doing the second one.
Yummy.
Be careful not to spill all of them.
Yep.
What? How Daddy knows we gotta do this one? Because it's gotta spill. Oh my gosh. The ice is almost about to fall down. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, Mommy!
So we'll taste the milk. This is Dalgona Coffee. Minus the coffee, it's NESQUIK milk chocolate. What's the taste, ate?
Yeah.
Yummy? Let me see. Taste it. Yummy, right? How about you? She doesn't want chocolate milk. So we will say goodbye now.
Don't forget
To subscribe, like, and share.
Bye!
Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified on our upcoming videos.
And try this, it's yummy.
Yummy. Bye.
Bye!